A lot of my students, or I would say community members, come in with so much conditioning. I'll ask them, how does that thing feel in your body? And they'll tell me a story about it. They won't actually be able to connect with the sensation. What is the thing that's calling for our attention? Letting the body guide. So I watch them slowly become more comfortable with the sensation experience. And then I watch them have these light bulb aha moments, almost like I'm touching a part of myself that I almost forgot existed. And it's like discovering a new land. So they start to get really excited to teach what they receive and transmit it to their kids, friends, patients, future patients. And so what happens is because we're born with all of this skill set, it really is a muscle memory thing. People think I'm learning something from scratch, it's all new. Absolutely not. We're all absolutely born experts. And it's so beautiful to watch someone recall that and feel oriented in life in a way that they just didn't think was possible. One of the things that's so beautiful that I discovered by being with a group of people on video is that we're wired to process in connection. We're tribal by nature. It's very fundamental. And we actually borrow wiring from one another and intelligences. And there are all sorts of maps being explored in science. The science is way behind the maps that you can find in the Vedic teachings and the Taoist teachings, for instance, and it's catching up, which is very exciting. And the experience on the ground is that when we're together, and we feel safe and held. It's so beautiful to watch resistance drain away. And then we have a whole group of people that can be there to celebrate that thing. Any kind of provider that you are, you're fundamentally a teacher, an inspirer of others. And when we lose that, which so many do in medicine, that's the beginning of burnout, loss of a sense of meaning. Why did we choose a profession where we really want to support and serve others in the first place? I love to see that not get lost. I love to see it rediscovered. Those are my two greatest joys. The students who are set up to not lose it, and the providers that are set up to rediscover it. Now is the time to learn what it really means to not only expand your capacity through neuroplasticity, but expand your subtle body through the growth and cultivation of more powerful electrical channels. We're so looking forward to meeting you.